Okay, so the Arduino UnoQ came today. I'm just getting going. I've got a website called My Examples of the UnoQ, whatever. I've got a playlist ready to go, and we've got the App Labs. So it's probably already installed. You get that off the Arduino site. And here you got the cute little animation going, and I think it's like 15 seconds for it to go along. And eventually, I'm expecting something to happen here. I guess I could pause it, but I'm thinking things will happen reasonably quickly. There you go. So we click on that and get the flasher tool. A little frustrated by this, but here we go. Pull this down, read the docs, flasher tool for Windows, download, and I've got it over here on downloads, unzip. I've got it here unzipped. Let's go have a look at some of the instructions. Basically, I just reduced it. Basically, it comes down to open up a terminal. I'm in Windows, so let's do a directory, /Arduino flasher. The example did not say run the exe, but I'm going to do it, come up with a help. That's cool. So on the instructions, it says something about preparing the hardware, so let's take that off. What it doesn't show is what the heck these two little pins are. They're right here. And you need a double female wire. Why does that not feel like it's going in well? While we're doing this, kind of interesting how these, oh, it's just tight. Okay, these front pins, why can't, oh, ugh, I gotta pause, my camera's died. There we go. Okay. What's with my camera? That one works. Deactivate. There we go. Once again, did I really hit pause? Yeah. Just double check that. There we go. Okay, let's re-plug in this UnoQ to restart it. We got the cool little Arduino thing. Let's get my stopwatch going again. Not quite sure where to put it. Can you see that? Oh, let's get rid of the system bar. There we go. Okay. I think that Arduino is up and running. Let's get the Arduino, USB, Arduino UnoQ. That looks like that's ready to connect. So there we go. Now, first time I did this, I kind of, I don't know, my video messed up. So this is the second take. The first time I went to the Blink and tried the Blink program, it didn't run. But then the whole system decided to update. It seemed like it was kind of installing Python onto the STM. Anyway, Blink didn't work, but then after it took like 5 minutes, it definitely was installing something on the STM because it looked like the old Arduino. Downloading code, setting up the boot driver, anyway, whatever. Let's just see if we can get Blink going. It kind of looks like there's a Blink program running on it, but let's see what goes on here. I kind of want to pause it, and part of me doesn't. It's only being a little bit. This should be pretty quick. It should eventually switch to the serial monitor, kind of suggest, yeah, this is suggesting it's running, and there, it blinked. Yay! I haven't quite figured out serial monitor yet, but this is running. It did have a little extra install stuff the first time I did it. I'm just sort of trying it out again. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. It wasn't so horrible flashing the whole Debian system and the full reboot. And that's it for today.